Okay guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the Forte protocol airdrop guys. So a couple of days ago I actually introduced this airdrop to you guys, but right now there is a new update which I'm going to be talking about on this video. Also, I'll be talking about another airdrop which I have already introduced. Both of them, I'll be discussing them on this video, so watch to the end, do not skip any part. This video is going to be very interesting, and all I'm going to be saying on this video are the actions that you need to take immediately if you have been following my steps. All right, so before we go ahead and start the video properly, please, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, or if you're just coming across our channel, on this channel we talk about how to make money for free in the crypto space. I teach you about airdrop, and I expose a lot of hidden strategies to make money in the crypto space, guys. So do well to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that yet. Most importantly, share this video so that someone out there will get to know about it and take action as well. All right, so right now let's start properly. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is concerning the Forte protocol airdrop. Of course, this is another airdrop that is well positioned to reward all participants. You can see this project is very early. It's still at its earliest phase currently. You can still go ahead and confirm all the and complete all the necessary tasks. Of course, the tasks are completed right here on the Galaxy store, where everything is being shown properly. For example, we have the first quest. Actually, we have completed it, even the second one, but currently we are to complete the third one right now. And the requirement for this third mission is an account. You need to have a Twitter account. That is, the Twitter account that is connected to your Galaxy account should be more than 1 month old. All right, and also it must have 20 followers. All right, so this is just a way of filtering out the bots and the rest. All right, so your X account or your Twitter account must be at least 1 month old, and it must have at least 20 followers. So if you have that, then you can proceed to answer this quiz right here and retweet their tweet, and of course like their tweet right there on Twitter. So first of all, let's talk about the first one, which is the quiz test your ground. You click on start. Clicking on start right now, some questions are going to be thrown to you, but before that you need to connect your wallet first. Okay, you need to connect your wallet before you proceed. So right now guys, once you click on it, your wallet is going to be prompting and it's going to be connected automatically if you have already connected it. And if you haven't connected it, you have to manually connect your wallet. All right, so right now we are on the first one, which is test your ground. Right, so right now they're going to be asking us some questions right here, 3 questions actually. So we click on start right now. So over here, the first answer is the first question is, what does G4 means? Of course, it means a friendly greeting to show alignment with the community, I think. So I will click on this. Okay, so I will go to next. So over here on the next question right now, the question says, what is the primary role of the Forte rule engineer? I think the answer is to define, enforce, and automate programmable policy for tokenized economy. I think this is the answer. I will select it right now. So I will go to next. So the third question is, Forte pays power Sonium with next-gen Web3 payment. What does this integration enable? Of course, the answer is C. I've already dropped the full answer right there on our Telegram, so you need to be on our Telegram as well. So the answer is C. Seamless fiat on ramp, off ramp, NFT checkout, and global and payment. So I will click on C. I will click on next. So right now the fourth question is, what does the integration of Forte pay with sequence unlocked for Web3 developers? I don't really understand that, but the answer is D. So I will selecting these: fast, regulated, compliant, and flexible global payment for games, apps, and marketplace. I'll click on submit. So this is going to be verifying if our answers are correct, and of course all our answers are correct. So we go ahead and retweet their tweet on Twitter. I will click on this one right now. Okay, so right now I need to retweet their tweet. Okay, repost. Okay, so right now we have done with that. We need to go back right here and click on this button to actually reload and verify if we have actually retweeted it. And right now it has detected. So the last one is like Forte tweet. So I will click on it right now. Of course, right here we are asked to like the post. So I will click on, sorry, that's comment. So I will go back. Okay, so I will click on this heart to actually like this post, right? So I will go back to the Galaxy Quest page, and I will click on this button to verify if I've actually done that or not. So right now we are done, so I have to claim my 15 points. I will click on claim 15 points right now. You can see claim feed SS point limit, available claim point count 0. So I will try it again to see what I'm gonna have right here. So okay, we are having an error message. If you are having this type of message, you simply need to try again later. All right, so go ahead and try again later. So you can refer your friends right here. So right now, let's talk about the second update. So I'm going to be claiming this point later, maybe on this video. So but even if it still fails, we are going to be trying it out on the next couple of minutes or hours. So the second update is about near protocol, near mobile wallet airdrop. So I also introduce it both on our Telegram and also on YouTube. So go ahead right now, make sure that your near wallet is up to date. All right, so if it's up to date, then go ahead and open the app. So opening the app right now, the allocation is out. All right, so this is actually where they made the announcement right here. So they made the announcement right here on the X account that the referral rewards are out. Okay, so you can see referral campaign rewards are out. You were asked to actually, update to the latest version, then go ahead and check. Okay, so over you can see there are about 2.4 million holders of this NPro token already. Of course, NPro is the native token of the near blockchain. So we actually participated in this airdrop just a couple of days ago. So right now they are rounding up, and of course we all know that the launching of this NPro airdrop is going to be on 15th of December, I guess. So this is another airdrop that we participated on that I'm expecting to cook massively. Of course, this is the countdown. You can see on December 15th we are going to be claiming and exchanging the NPro to our USD and using the money for whatever we want. But the update right here is that you can now go ahead and check your allocation if you participated on it when we actually participated on it. So if I haven't participated on this one up till now, it means you have missed out. Okay, so right now though, you can still go ahead and do some staking. That's going to be earning you some points. So I will click on NPro right now down here. You can see that my allocation is 3.9 NPro. All right, so this is quite small, but it all depends on the price at which they are going to be listing. So if they list around maybe something like $10, $20, $15, then this allocation is okay. Actually, during the points campaign, I got around 800 points. Okay, so I got around 800 points, and that's what gave me 3.9 NPro. So some people got only 20 points or thereabout, but it all depends. So let me know in the comment section your final allocation, what it is right there, so that we all interact. All right, so I actually made about 800 points during the point campaign, and my final allocation for the NPro is approximately 4 NPro. So with that being said, we are now done with this. This is the latest update about the near mobile wallet, in case you participated on it with us. So right now, going back right now to the this page, let me try this one more time. So even if it doesn't go, I will try again in the next couple of hours. Okay, and we still have an error message. Just go ahead and complete all the tasks, and after that, guys, you go ahead and claim. All right, so this is basically all we need to know right now concerning the Forte protocol airdrop and the near wallet airdrop. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video, which is going to be dropping very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget that all the answers to this question are going to be right there on the video description box. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys on the next update dropping very soon.